Hi everyone, Chad Shoop here, and I'm the editor of Automatic Profits Alert. And today I have one number for you, 3,453. That's how long the current bull market has been in place, at least 3,453 days. And it's one more day than the previous bull market, which was 3,452 days. So that means that since World War II, we are currently in the longest bull market for the S&P 500 that we have ever seen. And this is a historic record, and it's one that I know if you're not invested yet, or if you're still thinking about investing or investing more, that it can make you hesitant to jump in, because with a bull market that's lasted this long, since 2009, you think, how much longer can it go? But from here, I want to let you know that it can go a lot higher and a lot longer than the next couple of months. We're talking years that it still has left. So I don't want you to hesitate. I want you to be able to jump in now. Earlier this year, we went through a stock market correction that didn't quite hit the 20% level, which would have triggered a bear market. So it stayed above that, and that's what helped continue that, making this one of the longest bull markets ever. But during that period, a lot of people were reaching out to me, a lot of friends and family, asking if now is the time to take profits off the table. If after this historic bull market, maybe it's finally done, and they should take their money and run. Well, like I told you all, and I told them, that you didn't want to take your money out just yet, and instead you wanted to jump back into the market during the correction, because that was a great buying opportunity. And it turned out to be so, because since then the stock market has steadily climbed, and we're now back at all-time highs. Now, if you jumped in then to take advantage of the rally, then that's great. You're in a great position, and you can continue to ride it even higher. If you waited, then now's still a good time to jump in, because even though there is things to make you worry, to keep people out of the market, there's a lot of good stuff going on right now, especially in the U.S. economy, that are going to help push stocks higher over the next couple of years. And keep in mind, right before we go into a bear market, the stock market's going to go through its strongest surge yet. We're going to see a big push higher that's probably going to be 30, maybe even 40% a year for the S&P 500, and we're going to see that here in the next couple of years. So if there's things in the market that have you hesitant to jump in, if you're worried about trade wars or global economic issues or rising interest rates, don't worry. Right now, those things are minimal issues, and it's going to take some time. As I've mentioned in previous videos and in previous articles, trade wars are a major issue, but it's going to take a couple of years for it to actually hit the U.S. economy in a negative way, because in the short term, they're actually going to be a stimulus for the U.S. economy, and that's going to be what helps actually push us to the next level for the S&P 500, and it's going to be a major rally as those good economic benefits start to take place over the next year or two that you want to be invested in to benefit from. And then after that, you'll start to see the rates go even higher and inflation shoot up and more trade wars issues start to build up. And that's when you'll start to want to get out. But for now, you want to jump in because the next year or two are poised to be great, and you don't want to use an excuse like, oh, this bull market's lasted too long, as a reason not to jump in. Use it as a reason to jump in, because it's not over yet. The fact that it's one of the longest bull markets that we've experienced since World War II means that it can still go a lot higher from here. So be sure to jump in and take advantage of that. Well, that's all for my video today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to subscribe to our page and continue following us for more great insights. Until next time, this is Chad Shoop with Automatic Profits Alert.